Hello all, welcome back for another video. So to reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can get rid of this code 82 of an Opel. This is for any Opel. This one is an Opel Meriva, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, so to reset my car. Have a look at our channel for more than 600 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. If you have any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, what does code 82 mean? That means that the oil surface is due to change. And we're gonna use the thumbstick on the left here. Press the menu button over here to find the oil surface. Over here, turn one to the left and you'll see that the oil percentage is to 0. Then we're gonna use this button over here to press and hold it for a few seconds. You'll hear a small beep. Then you'll see that the oil surface percentage is now 100%. And now the moment of truth is, let's see if the code 82 has disappeared. Doesn't show up. After start, doesn't show up. So that's how you can get rid of the code 82. I hope this helped you to get rid of this code, annoying code. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.